Hi, fourth grade, and welcome back to Math Mr. G. Today we're going to be going over a new concept where we're working with three different categories and classes of triangles. And this is for Zern Mission 4, Lesson 13. So you have here in front of me, I have three definitions of three different kinds of triangles, so three different shapes of triangles. The first is an equilateral triangle. Just get this ready. And an equilateral triangle, so equal, lateral means sides or lines, where all sides are equal in length, okay? And you can see here, if I were to measure these, let's say each of these were an inch, this side and this side and this side are all equal. And there's actually a symbol to show this with triangles, and it's just to draw a line like so. And this line shows that all three of these sides are equal. They're all the same length. Next is isosceles triangles. Isosceles is a very interesting name. It's probably the one that we forget the most, and that has at least two sides with the same length. So we have this one and this one are the same length. You can see here, even just from looking at it without a ruler, this bottom line is significantly longer than these two lines. It's almost twice the size of each of these lines. So I won't be drawing a line on that. It's its own thing. So two sides that are the same length. Next is scalene, and it's a triangle where none of the side lengths are the same, not one. Each one of these is a different size. So I won't be drawing any lines to show, equality because none of them are equal. This length here is the longest with a little short one here, and this one is shorter. If you don't have a good ruler, a way I oftentimes think about this is if you were to rotate this one just up onto it, you could see that if I rotated it, it would just be a little bit shy of being that same length, and same thing with this. You can kind of imagine those lines are rotating like you use when you use your protractor, when you're drawing angles, or even like a clock. This is just kind of something you have to memorize. On the Zern lesson today, you guys will have tools that are digital that can be used to measure, as well as indications, like units. Like this might be 1 inch, and then 1 inch and 1 inch. Isosceles, these might both be 2 inches, but this bottom one's like 4 inches. That'll help you classify these. I'll of course be posting this screenshot onto Google Classroom, so you could even keep that up as just a quick reference. So while going through Zern, you can get through it just a little faster and a little more efficiently. I look forward to seeing your work, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.